Hello, it's Markham here from Markham 3D, and today we're going to be talking about the build modifier and getting this cool effect happening. We've got this model, and this model is available to download. There's a link in the description. What I'm going to do first up is go to add modifier and add in a build modifier. And now if we kind of look at this, we can see that it has at start at frame 1 and the length is 100 frames. So if I kind of come back to frame 1, we can kind of see that it does this building of meshes to kind of get this cool effect. Now what I can actually do is come over here to randomize, and then if we go to the start and we slowly move forward, oh baby, that looks pretty cool. Let me just quickly render that out just so we can see the full effect of it. And so that's given us a pretty cool effect, but we can take that one little step further and really kind of mutilate it. So what I'm going to do is come over into add modifier and let's throw on the decimate modifier. From here, what I'm going to do is come down to frame 25. So I just changed it as well for the start length to be at frame 25, just so we got a bit of an intro. And also I cut down the time that it does grow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the ratio down to 0. And at frame 100, because 25 plus 75 is 100, I'm going to bring this back up to 1, right click, insert keyframe. And now let's render this out and see how that turns out. And then we have a very simple way, a very quick way to create this awesome looking effect. Please make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out, keeps you up to date with my content, and I'll see you next time.